Good morning. Happy Saturday. I've not been doing many videos of Willie don't many videos or check-ins or whatever, so I don't know if this will become a video or not, but happy Saturday. It's Saturday. There's a lot going on around the area this weekend, and one of the things is ham radio field day. And so I'm up here in Green Ridge. Warren is up here. He's already got a spot, and he came up last night. Of course, it's rainy and foggy and all kinds of stuff, but he came up last night to set up his site for his ham radio field day. And I am bringing the camper and the dogs. Well, two of the dogs. One of the dogs I'm not bringing. I'm bringing Willie and the puppy. I'm trying to get the puppy more used to riding in the truck, but the puppy just does not do well in the truck yet. And by that I mean, sorry, I have the cell phone on a tripod phone holder doohickey thing, but it's not staying in place very well. And if I just let it sit on the dash, I think it's gonna jiggle and clunk too much. Anyway, the puppy just still throws up all over the place when we go on rides, so that's delightful. Yeah. But we're still working on it. I don't know how long I'll stay up here. I'll probably visit off and on over the weekend. There's also fireworks and the Bluegrass Festival in Romney that I had kind of thought about going to because the flybirds are there. Oh, I did a little video, brief video when I visited them one other time. Oh, their harmony and voices are amazing. So I don't think I'll probably get to both Green Ridge and the Bluegrass Festival. Holy cow. Let me back up here a moment. Oh, the thing's in the way. And try not to parallel park the camper in between two trees like I did one time. What is that alongside the road? Let me get out and see. Well, look at that. I'm quite sure that's something. But what? I don't know. That sure is beautiful and huge. And it's up this. I don't climb very well anymore. It's a close-up of the top. That's the bottom. I don't know if it's edible or not. That's a nice big specimen. It's the size of my hand. It's like the size of my hand. That's nice, whatever it is. Don't know if it's edible. I'll have to look it up. And here we are, camp. So I'm going to shut this off because Willie's about to lose his mind as soon as he sees Warren. But there we are. It's getting dark. Not quite dark, but you know. And of course there goes Willie. Get down. Get down, buddy. Get down. So I've been sitting in here with the dogs when it starts to rain harder because they don't care for the rain so much. And that's our setup outside. Lauren has a tarp over the picnic table and over the truck, and then the truck has the tonneau cover or whatever that's called. And so his radio is in there. And then campfire wood, all that. So he's been out there calling on ham radio for the field day contest. And I've been in and out depending on how hard it's raining. Made a lot of progress on my black and white checker Afghan. We've been keeping the fire going. He cooks in the Dutch oven, either hanging on the thing or in the actual coals. It's a pretty amazing Saturday. These guys are so silly. So silly. I was going to come out here for a little bit today and then go home and then come back out Sunday and then go home. But it's been so wonderful, the lack of heat, that I'm just, you know, it's rainy and wet or whatever, but it's been wonderful temperature. So I'm going to sleep here tonight instead of driving home, and then I'll just pull the camper home tomorrow morning, Sunday, tomorrow morning. So been pretty amazing. Oh, he's got so many antennas. So this is not an antenna. This is to hold the tarp. When I got here, there was an antenna out that way. But then there's a big antenna, end-fed, inverted V, that goes way down in the woods, way down in the woods. And then he has an antenna that he's been able to put up. Oh, there, it's on the truck. Right there. That's one antenna, and then over there where he's at is another antenna. Looks like he's pulling down that big huge antenna that was way down in the woods. And then he's got the antenna we use for POTUS that just sits on the ground. I can never remember what that one's called. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. Willie, quit breathing on the camera. This is the low water bridge, and you have to keep an eye on local social media because when we get lots of rain it closes because stuff floats down. You can see the trees and stuff, and this goes underwater sometimes. Someday I'm going to go over there and go rock hunting because there's so many rocks over there. But yeah, this is, I think, privately owned, and it's a little toll booth, and you stop and pay your $1.50 or $2.